So here in this quick video, I will show you how to check video description on TikTok. So let's get started without wasting any more time. For that reason, first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application. And now, as you can see, this is one of the posts that contains only photos. So if you want to see the video description of these photos into the TikTok, you need to tap on the more button on the bottom side. So select the more button, and as you can see, here is the description of these photos. All right. So that's how you can check video description on TikTok. So this is for the photos, and for the videos, you need to select once again for the more, and this thing will be appear like this. All right. So that's how you can check video description on TikTok. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.